Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to reset the layout in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. If you have accidentally messed up your Adobe Premiere Pro layout and want to reset it to the default or saved layout, you can follow these steps. Go to the window menu in the top navigation bar. Select Workspaces from the drop-down menu. Choose Reset to Saved Layout. Reset to Saved Layout will reset the current workspace to the last saved layout. If you want to create a new custom workspace, you can make adjustments to the current layout. Then go to Window Workspaces, Save as New Workspace. This will allow you to save your custom layout and quickly switch between different layouts in the future. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope these tips and techniques have been helpful for your editing process. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tutorials and tips. We would also appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to continue creating great content.